What's up, what's going on? I hope you're all doing well out there on this lazy afternoon. Today's ride comes with a singular purpose, and that is to have coffee at sunset. I have about an hour and a half left of sunlight, so I'm going to have to go and find a nice spot pretty soon.
Alright, so this is the situation. I was in town and I really wanted a coffee. I just wanted to get out. So I jumped on my bike, packed up my gear, rode like half an hour out, found this spot on the map, just saw that it had like a nice elevation, it was accessible off-road, and I really wanted to just come here and brew myself a coffee, so that's what I did. And I'm just catching the sunset now with this bad boy. Cheers, guys. I'm going to sit here for another few minutes. I'm not going to catch the very end of the sunset because I am a bit worried about riding back. The hill climb that got me here was just covered in rocks. I don't really want to ride that in pitch darkness. So I guess I'm going to have to pack up pretty soon because the sun is there. I don't know if you can see, but it's like low. It is stunning though. Something about sunsets. All right.
I almost forgot, I picked up these goggles today. They're the Strata 2 from 100%. It's my first time riding with them, so I'll wait till I've had a bit more experience with them to give you a full review. But so far I'm pretty impressed. It's a massive upgrade from my last goggles. Anyway, review on the way.
Not where I want to be. If you can smell what that is, you don't want to be here. Good.
Thank you so much for joining me on this ride. If you want to join me in the next one, feel free to subscribe. Until then, peace.